If you're over 60, some of the foods sitting in your kitchen right now could be silently speeding up aging, weakening your muscles, damaging your heart, and even affecting your memory. And here's the scary part. Most seniors eat these foods every single day, thinking they're harmless. After 60, your metabolism slows down. Your digestive system changes, your muscle mass declines, your heart becomes more sensitive to inflammation, and your blood sugar doesn't respond the same way it did at 40. So today, we're breaking down 7 foods you must avoid if you're over 60, and what to eat instead to protect your strength, energy, and independence. Make sure you stay until number 1, because it's something many seniors believe is healthy. Let's get started. Section 1, processed meats. Hot dogs, bacon, sausage, deli meat, ham. Processed meats may be convenient, but after 60, they become especially dangerous. These foods are loaded with sodium, preservatives like nitrates and nitrites, saturated fat. Excess sodium increases blood pressure, and high blood pressure is one of the leading causes of stroke and heart disease in seniors. According to the American Heart Association, adults over 60 should be extremely cautious about sodium intake because the body becomes more salt sensitive with age. But that's not all. Processed meats are strongly linked to inflammation and increased risk of colorectal cancer. The World Health Organization classifies processed meat as a Group 1 carcinogen, meaning there's strong evidence it increases cancer risk. After 60, your body repairs itself more slowly. Chronic inflammation accelerates joint pain, heart disease, and cognitive decline. What to eat instead? Fresh grilled chicken, turkey breast, unprocessed, baked salmon, plant-based proteins like lentils and beans. Your heart and your joints will thank you. Section 2, sugary breakfast cereals. Many seniors think cereal is a light, easy breakfast, but most boxed cereals, even the ones labeled whole grain, are packed with added sugar. After 60, your insulin sensitivity decreases. That means sugar spikes your blood glucose faster and keeps it elevated longer. Frequent spikes increase risk for type 2 diabetes, weight gain around the belly, fatigue and brain fog, increased Alzheimer's risk. In fact, some researchers now refer to Alzheimer's as type 3 diabetes because of its strong connection to blood sugar dysregulation. If your breakfast starts with 20 grams of sugar, you're setting up your body for inflammation all day long. Better options: plain oatmeal with berries, Greek yogurt, unsweetened, with nuts, eggs with vegetables, chia pudding. Stable blood sugar equals stable energy and better brain protection. Section 3, white bread and refined carbs. White bread, white rice, regular pasta, pastries. Refined carbohydrates are stripped of fiber and nutrients. They digest quickly and act almost like sugar in your bloodstream. After 60, this is especially harmful because muscle mass naturally declines, sarcopenia, insulin sensitivity drops, belly fat accumulates more easily. Refined carbs worsen all 3. When blood sugar spikes repeatedly, it accelerates aging at the cellular level. It increases glycation, a process that damages collagen and blood vessels. That means more wrinkles, stiffer arteries, slower healing, increased joint pain. Switch to 100% whole grain bread, quinoa, brown rice, sweet potatoes. Fiber becomes your best friend after 60. It protects your gut, your heart, and your blood sugar. 4. Fried foods. French fries, fried chicken, onion rings, fast food. After 60, fried foods are a triple threat. They are high in trans fats, high in inflammatory omega-6 oils, extremely calorie dense. As we age, our arteries naturally stiffen. Fried foods accelerate plaque buildup, increasing risk for heart attack and stroke. Trans fats also increase bad LDL cholesterol and lower good HDL cholesterol. The FDA has largely banned artificial trans fats, but small amounts still appear in processed and fried foods. And here's something many seniors don't realize. Fried foods are linked to slower cognitive function. High inflammation affects blood flow to the brain. Healthier alternatives: air-fried foods, oven-roasted vegetables, grilled lean protein, baked sweet potato wedges. You don't have to give up flavor, just change the cooking method. Section 5. Soda and sugary drinks. Soda is one of the fastest ways to age your body. Liquid sugar is absorbed almost instantly. It floods your bloodstream, spikes insulin, and increases fat storage, especially around your abdomen. After 60, visceral fat, deep belly fat, is particularly dangerous. It surrounds your organs and increases risk for heart disease, diabetes, fatty liver, cognitive decline. Even diet soda isn't harmless. Artificial sweeteners may disrupt gut bacteria and increase cravings. Your gut health becomes increasingly important with age. A damaged gut contributes to inflammation and weakened immunity. Better choices: water with lemon, herbal tea, sparkling water, unsweetened, green tea. Hydration after 60 improves energy, joint lubrication, blood pressure, mental clarity. Section 6, packaged snack foods, chips, crackers, cookies, microwave popcorn. These ultra-processed foods are engineered to be addictive. They're high in refined flour, seed oils, sodium, additives. After 60, muscle maintenance becomes critical. Your body needs protein, not empty calories. Ultra-processed snacks displace nutrient-dense foods. That means you eat more calories but fewer vitamins and minerals. Seniors are already at risk for deficiencies in vitamin B12, magnesium, vitamin D, potassium. Highly processed snacks worsen that imbalance. Smarter snack swaps: handful of almonds, apple slices with peanut butter, cottage cheese, boiled eggs, hummus with carrots. Your muscles need building blocks, not junk fuel. Section 7, most surprising, fruit juice. This one shocks people. Fruit juice sounds healthy. It says 100% natural. It has vitamins. But here's the problem. When you remove the fiber from fruit, you're left with concentrated sugar. A single glass of orange juice can contain as much sugar as soda. After 60, this is dangerous because your pancreas doesn't respond as quickly as it once did. Repeated sugar spikes stress your metabolic system. Whole fruit? Great choice. Fruit juice? Not so much. Instead of juice, eat whole oranges, apples, berries, pears. Fiber slows sugar absorption and protects your gut microbiome. Why food matters more after 60? After 60, your body changes in powerful ways. 1. Muscle mass declines, bone density decreases. 3. Recovery slows, 4. Inflammation increases. 5. Metabolism drops. That means poor dietary choices have a stronger impact than they did at 30 or 40. But here's the good news. It's never too late to improve your diet. Studies show adults in their 60s and 70s who switch to whole foods can lower blood pressure in weeks, improve blood sugar in days, reduce joint pain, increase energy, improve mental clarity. Aging is natural, but accelerated aging from poor diet, that's optional. Bonus: what to focus on instead. Instead of focusing only on what to avoid, focus on what to include. Lean protein at every meal, leafy greens daily, healthy fats, olive oil, avocado, nuts, high fiber carbs, plenty of water. A Mediterranean-style eating pattern is consistently ranked among the healthiest for older adults. The National Institute on Aging recommends nutrient-dense, minimally processed foods to support healthy aging. Closing message: if you're over 60, your goal isn't dieting. Your goal is protecting your independence. Food is not just calories. It's muscle protection, brain protection, heart protection, joint protection. Small daily changes add up. You don't have to eliminate everything overnight. Start with one swap this week. Maybe replace soda with water. Maybe swap white bread for whole grain. Maybe choose grilled chicken instead of processed deli meat. Your future self will thank you. If this video helped you, comment below, healthy after 60. And let me know which food surprised you the most. Because the truth is, aging well isn't about luck. It's about daily choices. And today, you're one step ahead.